Unang-una po, of course, I'd like to greet my uncle and our mayor, Michael Marcos Kion, our provincial director, Colonel Cesar Masiwen, our director for Ops, Colonel Randy Bawit, our chief, Major Lauro Milan, our outgoing officer in charge, Colonel Mar Luis Bondoc, our incoming acting chief of police, Colonel Amador B. Kiosho, and to all of our fellow public servants here at the PNP. Alam niyo po, of course, I'd also like to greet all of our other guests, our friends from the media, of course, Ryan and Perry and Willie Boy. Good morning po. And to everyone, magandang umaga po. Alam niyo po, first time ko po dito sa Laoag City Police Station. Halos dinadaanan ko po every day. But it's good to finally be here with all of you. It's my honor and my pleasure to be with the great men and women in blue of Laoag. Of course, as we mark this turnover, we are sure that there will not be much rocky change, but a steady and continued ascent as we secure our capital city of Laoag. I truly believe that a safe Laoag leads to a safe Ilocos Norte. Laoag, after all, is our capital and will always set the tone for our province. Thus, please know our provincial government will not only stand behind the provincial police, but will also stand behind our city police. So on behalf of the entire provincial government of Ilocos Norte, it's my honor and my pleasure to pledge our support to all of our police officers of Laoag City. And going back dun po sa sinabi po ng tito ko sa 5 kilometer ba? 5K run. Buti na lang hindi po naimbita ako. Kasi hindi ko yata kaya ang 5K. Baka dun na lang sa last 1K join ko kayo. Pang picture lang. But I applaud my uncle for his show of solidarity, and I'm sure that will make for continued and strengthened camaraderie between the city government and, of course, our police office. So once again, I'd like to thank everyone at the PNP here for your ensuring of our peace and order. We at the provincial government strongly believe that there is no progress without peace and order. And thus, we owe all of our progress, we owe all of our steps forward to the police for providing the environment, the peaceful environment that enables all of us to move forward. And I know that Laoag City will continue to be exemplary in its peace and order and anti-drug campaign, as our president has emphasized over the years. And I look forward to working with the good men and women of the PNP here in Ilocos Norte. More power to the PNP Laoag and more power to PNP Ilocos Norte. Just like